Here's a quick tip on how to make your keyboard easier to use on your phone through text replacement. Text replacement allows you to assign a shortcut to a key phrase or your email address or something like that. So rather than me having to enter in my 26 character long email address, I just have to type in 3 instead. So in order to use text replacement, we're just going to go into Settings, General, and then scroll down a little bit to Keyboard and Text Replacement. This is where you can go in, you hit the plus button, you pick your phrase that you want to do, so my too long email, and why is this a thing, .ca. And then I can just assign it to ridiculously long email, so RLE. So when I hit save to that, every time I type in RLE, it is just going to instantly put in my email address instead. You can use this for anything. It can be for a couple phrases, it can be for a whole paragraph if you use the same paragraph a lot. For more tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Instagram, and thanks for watching.